Kain na tayo after mag-exercise. We're preparing our food, then let's eat. Yan. My healthy diet for today. May ham ako, guys. Tsaka yung black coffee natin with turmeric. Sarap. With mayonnaise. Kain tayo, guys. Lagaan natin yung sarili natin. Ay, may wet bread pala ako. Yan. Wet bread.